Hello friend, welcome back to my channel KBS Technocrop. Today we are going to learn how to install SpecFlow extension in Visual Studio 2022. I have already installed Visual Studio 2022. So what I'm going to do that I'm going to open Visual Studio 2022 and then I'm going to install that SpecFlow extension. To do that, let's Okay, so what I did it here, I just continue without code because I do not want to open the code as of now. I just want to install the extension. So I will go here, manage extension, and then what I will do, I will select here online, make sure that you are connected to internet, and then we can type here spec flow. And once you type it, you'll be able to see that. Click on install or download. Once you click on download, it will start processing for this. After a few minutes it will display this message. If you see here, your changes will be scheduled. The modification will begin when all Microsoft Visual Studio windows are closed. So I will try to close it now, and once I close Visual Studio, you will see that the px installer is installing that particular plugin. So I will accept, modify this, and then you will see that this Visual Studio installation is in progress. After the installation, what we are going to do that we are going to open Visual Studio 2022 once again and try to create a SpecFlow projects and run it. Okay, so installation is done. I am again going to open Visual Studio 2022. Uh, it will take few minutes. When it's open, I'm going to create a new project. So let's say I create a new project, and then in template I will select spec flow. Right, you will see that spec flow templates are available after the installation of the extension. If I click here, I can give any name. Let's say as it is, I selected a folder, I created it, and then I select n unit. You can select any testing framework, n unit, x unit, and ms test. This is, I selected n unit and created. Once you create it, you can see this calculator.feature file is automatically is part of template, so it's created. Also, you can see here in the extension, if you go manage extension now and installed section, you can see this is installed here. So that's how we can install the Visual Studio SpecFlow extension for Visual Studio. I have documented all the steps in one text file, and I'm going to attach that text file in description section. So if you want to refer those steps, you can refer it. Thanks for watching my channel.